Oh, did it pop? Oh gosh, she got it. She popped it though. Sounds like the neighbor dog is jealous. She stepped on it. Grab the piece that fell off. She slipped. That's beautiful.
Get some treats.
Oh, she dropped it. She dropped it for the ones in your hand. She is the dog who's going to, even though she has a bone, bark at the reflection and try to get what she can't have and lose her bone. Stick them in your pockets. Stick them in your pockets and can't steal them from you.
Get some treats for her. So she eats it. It's not good for her. Here, get some treats. My hands are freezing. I can't do that anymore.
Okay, sorry.
There, come on. You go get the other piece.
Misty, I'll trade you. All right, I'll keep her distracted.
My hands are too cold.
I do think you have Raynaud's, my love. All right, I'll go out there. Hey, Misty. Yeah, Misty. It bounced off her face. Did you find it, woman? All right, you want to try another one? Oh, you did find it. Good. Your coordination seems off, baby. All right, I'll try to throw it right at your face. Oh, about time. But I damn near dropped that one in your mouth, honey bear.
That was fun while it lasted, though. That ball.
For 130 seconds.
Yeah, if we had like a bigger and more durable one.
Yeah.
She liked that thing. She could push it forward with her nose.